Hi guys, welcome to Moneyline. Today we have a total of 11 odds, 2 draws. Okay, let's move on. Today is Tuesday, the 30th of May 2023. Okay, our first game on our list today is in Italy Serie B, where Cagliari is taking on Calcio, and the prediction is full-time draw. Okay, before we move on to our number 2 game on our list, we like to talk about the past days. We've been winning back to back on our 2 odds draw, though we have a setback on Sunday. We have a setback on Sunday. Then we won our 5 odds, also won our 11 odds. Then the 20 odd we gave two of the game for which is Manchester City and Reykjavik in Iceland. So very unfortunate, but it has been a good week for us. We've been winning, and we expect this week to also be good for us. So without wasting so much time, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and then ring the bell so that you be the first to know when we drop new content. And also it's very important to like this video. Everyone watching this video is very important to like, because when you like this video, it tells YouTube that you are interested, and YouTube will also spread this video across to many people. So I want many people to watch this video, to share with these predictions, and also win money. Our aim here is to provide you with value so that you'll be able to win in your betting business. Okay, this is business, so we want you to make profit. Okay, like this video, very important. Share with your friends. And also in this channel we do tutorial videos on how to win bet in different markets, from how to win full-time draw, how to win half-time draw, how to predict straight win, how to predict over and unders, how to predict corner market. And we are looking forward to doing tutorial video on how to predict basketball and baseball. So stay tuned, always come back to this channel so that you get all this value together. So go to this channel, check those previous videos that I mentioned, watch them. You get much value and you learn a lot. Okay, the second game on our list is in Bulgaria Liga 2, where Litex Lovech is taking on Sparta Praven, and our prediction is full-time draw. So that is it for today's game. If you combine these 2 draws together, I'll give you a total of 11 odds. We wish you good luck, bet responsibly, and see you tomorrow.